Hi folks, and welcome to our second week of our course. In lessons for this week, we'll get a really good dose of working with the medical information system. We have 3 applied case studies I think you'll enjoy, so roll up your sleeves and get to work on those. The content I'd like to discuss with you today involves coding. As we read through Chapter 2, we find lots of coding systems. Coding systems are used to identify and describe medical diagnosis and procedures. By using universal identifiers or codes, we're able to remove the ambiguous characteristic of narrative descriptions. By converting textual descriptions into codes, we are developing a universal language which is used to identify or reference a particular phenomenon. What you'll find in Chapter 2 of the Gardy textbook are descriptions of lots of coding systems. SNOMED, CT, and medicine are prominent systems for documenting procedures, findings, and diseases. LOIC is used for medical labs. ICD-10 is created by the World Health Organization and stands for the International Statistical Classification of Diseases. DICOM is a standards-based interface for PACS imaging systems. HL7 is a universal language for informatics interoperability standards. And we'll also discover there's a number of coding systems used by and developed by nurses and supported through their professional organizations. All right. So health records as they exist today are found in varied forms and places. We can have, as examples, handwritten notes completed by the clinician at the time of our visit. I can probably in my wallet find an old vaccination card that we filled in by hand that details all the vaccinations we received over, well, how long? Well, as long as a person lives. We can also go through an old file cabinet or find laying around the house or somewhere a wellness check that maybe I went down to the local mall and had completed, or I had a flu vaccination. But the fact is, all these are really important data sources, and this is one of the complications with the electronic health record, is that these are everywhere. But to truly take advantage of the, and we'll talk about this term, functional benefits of the electronic health record, we need codified data. And codified data provides a language for universally documenting some phenomena. And the universal understanding is there by the medical community and by the patient. So we're all talking about the same procedure, disease, lab test, but it all makes sense. So codified records, if we truly are going to take advantage of the functional benefits of electronic health record, we really need to look at codification and codified records.